hot water line right here with our water heater tap. This will have a valve on it. So once we get the tap put on, we can turn the valve off and turn the water to the house back on. 3. And more pipe dope on top. And then we screw our fitting on. This doesn't need any tape because it relies on the compression washer inside the water heater flex fitting. I can turn this off, and we can turn our water heater back on again. Let's see. I'm going to step back a bit from the wall so I don't hit the foundation, because the concrete from the foundation will come in about 2 inches from the outside wall. So now we're ready to drill. Okay. We put a little bit of tape on the bottom to prevent sawdust and whatnot from getting in the pipe. And now we've got to go to the bottom of the cabinet and the floor, which sometimes takes a bit of feeling around to where it goes. Underneath the bathroom sink now, and we'll bore another hole here and bring the 1/4-inch line up, and we'll connect it directly onto this here. So we'll turn this valve off and unscrew this riser tube from it, and we'll connect that onto the new 1/4-inch line that will go directly to the hot water heater. Okay. Alright, for this bathroom sink, we only need a short length of pipe because it's actually going to tee off the line running between the water heater over here and the kitchen sink over there. So I'm just going to put this short piece down, and we'll tee into it in the crawl space down below. On the pipe to keep dirt from getting in it. Go down to the floor here, and there's the water heater. And now we head down to the crawl space and connect the water heater. Great. Alright, I'm looking for the pipe that we set down in the bathroom. It didn't come through the insulation, but this is the bathroom drain. And so the pipe should be, there it is. And the kitchen sink pipe is that way. The water heater is this next one here. So we'll tie these together. This is from the water heater. It's actually quite close to the sink. Even though it's close to the sink, because it's such a big pipe, it still took quite a while to get water at that bathroom sink. So we'll put a T together with a brass compression tee. Now, the brass compression tees come with these brass ferrules, which we won't use for plastic. For plastic, you need what's called a Delrin washer, which should come with your kit. These are the Delrin washers, and you put the nut on the pipe, and the Delrin washer goes on. And it's important to put the fat end on the pipe first, so that the thin end faces into the T. So the skinny end of the washer, it's a tapered washer, the tapered end faces into into the T. So you shove it in, make sure it's up the pipe about 1/4 inch. Put that together and okay, now let's see here. Yeah, that's about right. And then we disconnected the dishwasher. Here's the valve over here. It's a double valve. The top part went to the kitchen sink, the bottom went to the dishwasher. So we're taking the sink faucet hot from that valve and we bring it over here and connect it onto our new 1/4 inch line. And then we're going to take our dishwasher line over there and we'll tee into the side of that. Now, putting the dishwasher and the sink on the same 1/4 inch line, when the dishwasher is filling with hot water, will drop the pressure to the sink just a dribble. However, it's the most economical way to go. On a more deluxe system, we would run a separate 1/4 inch line for the dishwasher and for the sink. But the advantage of doing it this way is that when you turn the dishwasher on, if you run the sink faucet for the 8 seconds it'll take to clear the line out, then the dishwasher will fill up with hot water only and it won't have to reheat the water, so it'll cycle faster. So this is the most economical way to do it, is to put the dishwasher and the kitchen sink on the same line. Here's the T we're going to use. Again, we want the most pressure at the kitchen sink, so the 1/4 inch line will feed in the bottom from the water heater and we'll take the sink off the top so it has a straight through path. This T has the same size thread fittings as does the regular angle stop valve, so the riser tube nuts will screw right to it, as you can see. So when you get your kit, you just use one of these T's. This is the same as we use downstairs to connect the dishwasher and the kitchen sink. So we put the nut on, put the Delrin washer on with the fat end towards the pipe, and the skinny end goes towards the fitting. You can actually use the fitting to help push it on. And there we go. Put that on there. Tighten that up. Okay, and almost all the threads are gone. So go check that the faucets are turned off. Okay, we're turning on the water to our system. Here in this vanity is the cold supply. Is still hooked up to the standard, so you can see that's the flow from the cold water. This is the flow from the hot water. There's a very slight drop in the it's hot now already. It's very, so it takes about that much water now to get hot water at this faucet compared to almost 2 gallons before.